Hi, I'm Ben Canning, and this is a macro lecture, meaning it's focusing on the big picture ideas for this collection. And this collection is going to be on Newton's second law. As always, you need 3 or more bullet points worth of notes, a 1 to 2 sentence summary, and your follow-up questions on Google Forms. Alright, so we've been working up towards this big idea of how do we describe and predict the effects of forces, in other words, pushes and pulls, on motion. And we've been working on this for quite some time, really kind of dancing our way around it, looking at how to describe motion, looking at the effects of gravity, and then exploring that further with weight. And so now it's time that we're finally done kind of building up to this, and we're going to answer the bulk of it in this collection. And we're going to do that by looking at how forces affect motion. Specifically, we've looked at a special case of this with weight, and now we're going to focus on the general case, which is Newton's second law. And just so you know, here's a picture of Newton over here. It's a painting of him, or portrait, and for that matter. And the focus of this collection is going to be Newton's second law in particular, and our goal is to quantify the effects of all forces, not just weight. So Newton has a few different laws of motion that are attributed to him, mainly 3. We're going to be focusing on the second one, and then we'll work into the others later on. That's it for this one. 3 or more bullet points worth of notes, a 1 to 2 sentence summary, and please do your follow-up questions on Google Forms.